Welcome back to Wetblasting 101. Here we are in front of our model 1215 Vixen, and today we're going to show you how to take a sample of the media. It's important to keep the abrasive level up in the slurry. You want to be between 15 and 25%. Normally I like you to charge at about 20%. You're going to break some media down, you're going to carry some out on your parts, so you want to check that about once a week or so. So we're going to shut the air off, and I'm going to show you how to test it in the machine here. As you can see, I put a 100 milliliter beaker in here. I like these graduated cylinders because if you can hit the 100 line, the direct reading will be the percentage down here if it settles out between 15 and 20%. You can buy these on eBay, they're about $5. So I'm going to go ahead and fire it up. You'll hear the compressed air bleed off. We're going to give this pump about a minute to agitate. We want to make sure we get all the media in the hopper in suspension. Okay, we've given that about a minute, so we're assured that we've stirred everything up. Now you just want to scarf off. You don't want it to splash back too much, so you kind of get used to it, and you want to try to hit that 100 line. And there we go. We'll set this down and let it settle out and see how much media we have. We've allowed the media to settle out for about 10 minutes, and as you can see, there's a pretty good line of demarcation here. I'll put the flashlight to it so you can see a little bit better. This is all clear up above. You can see a little bit of dirt that's on the top portion of this, but the media has settled to about 20, which we're pretty close to the 100 line here, so that's 20%, and that's about where you want to be. You can go as high as 25, just don't go lower than 15. You'll start to see a little bit of drop off in productivity. But that's how easy it is to take a sample, and you should do this once a week. You're going to get really used to your machine and how much carry out there is. You might have to add a couple scoops a day. But keep an eye on this. Very important to keep your machine up and running well.